welcome to Kidz Science Corner. Today we're doing a terrarium with a tiger in it. And this was just the one I did before. I didn't show you guys this before. I did this for my Earth Day project from my school. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So what we need is activated charcoal, like you see we have here. So we need a fern plant, a palm plant, some little marble rocks and some plain little rocks, and soil. And you can use any base you want. So I used an orange bottle, and I cut the half off, and then I put the rest, and I taped the rest on. So let's get started. So we have this empty orange juice bottle, and we're supposed to cut it 4 inches from the bottom, but I already cut it, and so this is the base of our little bottle, and we have these pebbles, and we're gonna pour them all into the base. So let's do it. Now we just need to add a pinch of activated carbon, and then you could buy this from the pet or garden supply store. I found this at Walmart. The reason why we put the activated charcoal in here is because it keeps your terrarium from getting too stinky. So we have Irish moss here, and the reason why we're putting it in our base is because we're gonna put soil after this, and so this Irish moss will block the soil from getting inside the rocks. We have some soil over here. It's really soft, and we are going to put it into our base. Now the fun part really begins. We are going to put some tropical rainforest plants. We're going to put one called fern, and we're going to put one called palm. So we put the palm tree. So we dug a hole. And then we put the palm plant inside the hole, and then we put the hole together to make the palm tree stick. And we also did the fern plant, which was really fun, and we did the same thing like we did with the palm plant. So what you do is you cut the top part off, then you tape the top part to the bottom part, and then you add all the stuff. So have fun doing it at home, guys. Bye.